guys. Here it is. Ready to bang. Ready to bang. See what happens. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I'm noticing I have to go a little bit further. Let's do it.